class 1. Good morning. How are you? Fine. So class 1, as you all know that your periodical test 1 is coming and your first paper is English itself. So it is necessary to revise the lessons. Okay. As we already have revised the lesson on online class, online live class, isn't it? But then also it is a need that we should revise it through the video also. Okay. So the same questions of which I have sent you the PDF, I am here with. Okay. So these are the questions. Now we will discuss the questions, their meanings and their correct answer. I am going to give you a practice of solving objective type of questions, but this doesn't mean that the same questions are going to come. तो ये मतलब नहीं है कि यही क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. इसका मतलब ये है कि इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे और हमको इस तरह से प्रैक्टिस करनी है. You can frame your own questions also at home. आप लेसन को रिवाइज करके अपने क्वेश्चंस खुद भी फ्रेम कर सकते हैं. Okay? And today in this class, in the same class, it is divided into two parts. The first part is the revision part and the next part will be the running chapter. Will be the studying the running chapter which is going on in your grammar book. Which chapter is going on? Chapter 4, describing word is going on. So along with the revision, we will have 2 or 3 exercises of grammar book chapter 4 also. So now let us do this. Now the first question here is name the pictures. 3 pictures are given and you have to name them. As you all know that it is very much clear by the pictures that the first picture is a snake. The first picture is a snake. Okay. So, where it is written? Here it is ma, ek, make, verb, ek, bake, and option C is the correct answer. So, I am just putting a red dot in it. Okay. What you have to do when you will in your online exam, what you will do? You will touch the correct option. Okay, to submit your answers. Here I am touching the correct option to submit my answers. Okay, so snake. Snake, the option is C. C is the correct answer. Next is, what is this? This is a cap. And where is cap written? A, ball. Wrong. B, cap. C, map. Class 1, it is very necessary that while reading the options, you should be careful. हो सकता है 2 rhyming words हो, जैसे यहाँ cap और map लिखा हुआ है और आप confuse हो जाओ. Confuse नहीं होना है. You have to read it carefully. So this is a cap. It is clearly visible that this is a cap. लेकिन हो सकता है मैं गलती से map को opt कर दूँ, तो मेरे तो marks deduct हो जाएंगे, isn't it? So you have to read carefully all the options and then you have to click on the right answer. So this is a cap. My answer is B. Okay. Now next is, this picture is a picture of a hill. And see here again, 3 options are given. Here it is written T-I-L-L, till, B-I-L-L, bill, H-I-L-L, hill. Here the correct answer is hill. लेकिन हो सकता है गलती से मैं bill पे click कर दूँ. So you have to be careful while opting answer. So snake, the option is C. Cap, the option is B. Hill, the option is A. Now come to the next question. Again and again I am saying that this is just the pattern of question paper, not the exact questions. The questions may differ. क्वेश्चंस चेंज हो सकते हैं और आप घर पे अपना खुद का क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करके प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. ओके, नाउ इज इट क्लियरली विजिबल or it has to be increased? Is it clearly? Let me check. And I was just looking at whether it is it is visible. So the first here the question is fill in the blanks with correct naming words. A sentence is given and 3 options are given. You have to read the sentence and think for a while that what could be the correct answer. अगर आपको आंसर पता है तो भी आप ऑप्शन को रीड करेंगे. ओके, सो दैट कि कहीं गलती ना हो जाए. ओके, द डैश इज अ कनिंग एनिमल. कनिंग का मतलब होता है चालाक. कौन सा एनिमल सबसे चालाक होता है? All of you know that a fox is a cunning animal. Options are dog, fox, rabbit. Where is fox? Is it at A? No, it is at B. So B is the correct answer. Next is I love reading dash. What do we read? What is the meaning of read? Read means पढ़ना. हम किसे पढ़ते हैं? I love reading dash. मुझे reading करना बहुत पसंद है. What do we read? A says football. फुटबॉल को तो प्ले करते हैं. B says milk. मिल्क को तो ड्रिंक करते हैं. And C is books. So I love reading books. C is the correct answer. Number 3. Squirrels love to eat. Love to eat. What do they eat? Nuts, nuts. BALL ball. PEN pen. What do they eat? They love eating nuts. And the answer is A. So, whenever you are opting for answers, be careful. Number 4. I ride a dash every day. I ride. Ride का मतलब होता है सवारी करना. Okay. I ride a bat every day. A bat every day? No. We play with bat. I ride a bat? No. I ride a bicycle every day. So C is the correct option. Now next type of question is, it is question number 3 and option is identify the naming words. आपका सेंटेंस दिया हुआ है, आपको नेमिंग वर्ड आइडेंटिफाई करना है. You have to identify. Identify का मतलब होता है पहचानिए. Identify का मतलब होता है पहचानिए. Sentence number 1 is I live in a city, and all of you know that naming words are the name of person, animals, places, things. So you have to search for a person, animal, place or thing. So here I live in a city. City is the naming word and it is at option B. Option A says live. Live कोई भी naming word नहीं होता. I and in is also not a naming word. So option B is the correct answer. Number 2. This is a tiger. ये एक tiger है. So tiger is the naming word and is this tiger. Tiger is the correct option. So I have opted for option C. Now here you have. Now we are at question number 4. Identify the opposite gender. Gender का मतलब होता है male और female. You have to opt the correct answer for opposite gender. And the first question is BULL bull. And the opposite of bull is cow. A says girl, B says cow, C says lady. And the correct answer is cow. Okay. Now the next question is hen. Hen is a female and opposite of hen is rooster or cock. Okay. Rooster भी कह सकते हैं, cock भी कह सकते हैं. And what is the option? Fox, horse, rooster. Rooster sequence. The first is Sunday dash Tuesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So what comes here? Here Monday will come. And options are Wednesday, Monday or Friday. The option is Monday. So B is the correct answer. Number 2 is Friday, Saturday dash. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Thursday, Sunday. So C is the correct answer. Now moving further. Here it is. You have to identify the correct season. Is it summer? Is it winter? Is it rainy? Now see, look at the first picture. Here there is an umbrella and there is a raincoat. So which season is this? This is of course rainy season. And option A says summer, option B says winter, option C says rainy. So the correct option is rainy. Okay. Next is, look at this picture. The sun, juice, ice cream. Which season is this? This is summer season. So here it is at option A. So option A is the correct answer. Next is gloves, sweater and what is this? This is woolen cap, we can say. Okay. So gloves, sweater, woolen cap. Which season is this? This is winter season. Summer, winter, rainy. Winter is the correct answer. In the next question, it is choose the correct options. 3 sentences are given from the chapter The Red Raincoat and you have to choose the correct answer, and the questions are: Manu's parents get him a red dash. Red umbrella, red raincoat or red gumboots. Manu's parents got him a red raincoat. It is at B. Number 2. It rains on dash. When does it rain in the story? Story में rain कब होता है? जब Sunday को मानो को रेनकोट मिलता है, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे तक वो वेट करता है. Finally on Saturday it rained. So it rains on Saturday. Now the last question of this sheet is Friday was dash. Sunday was, there were no clouds. Monday, bright and sunny. Tuesday was, the sky was blue. Wednesday, what was Wednesday? Oh my God, I also forgot. See, Thursday, Manu goes to picnic. Friday, Friday was cloudy. मुझे बताना जरूर Wednesday को क्या था, मैं तो भूल गई Wednesday. I just forgot. Friday was cloudy. So these were the solutions of the PDF that I have sent you through the school online app. And now in the next part we will have some, as I have told you that we will have 2 exercises of grammar chapter 4. Session 2 study chapter 4 describing words that we have started. Okay, and up to page number 24 we have done. The B exercise of page number 23 was done. Now we are here with page number 25. Open your grammar books now. We are here with page number 25. 24 I will do it later. Okay. So take out page number 25. Here it is opened on my board. So class 1, just see what are you looking at. Here there are 2 boys. नेमिंग वर्ड्स. नेमिंग वर्ड्स के बारे में जो बताते हैं वो वर्ड्स डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स होते हैं. आई एम रिपीटिंग इट अगेन. डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स टेल अस more about naming words. Okay, so fat, thin, tall, short are the describing words. Now next is old. In the first picture, the man is old, and in the later on picture, the man is described as young. So these are two describing words, old and young. Now let us see it one more time. Now see here that these kinds of words, fat, thin, they are opposite to each other. So describing words have opposites too. Describing words के opposites भी होते हैं. Tall and short are describing words and they are opposite to each other. Next is old and young. They are opposite to each other. These pictures tell you that most describing words have opposites. Describing words have opposites. Okay. Now next is, see here, the opposite of big is small. Elephant is big, whereas rat is small. Now here there are describing words. In the previous class also I had made you learn, I think. Yes, it was there. So we are just revising it orally. Good, bad, big, small, cool, warm, blunt, sharp, hot, cold. Good means अच्छा, bad means बुरा. Big मतलब बड़ा, small means छोटा, cool means ठंडा, warm means गर्म. Blunt means जो sharp नहीं है, not sharp, and sharp means जिसमें नोक होती है, okay. Hot means गर्म, cold means ठंडा. Here easy means आसान, and the opposite of easy is difficult means कठिन. Empty means खाली, and full means भरा हुआ. Fast means जल्दी, and slow means धीरे. Hard means like this duster is hard. This duster is hard and cotton is soft. Hard means it can be said kada, and soft means mulayam. Light means, like I had given you example, there are two lights. The first one is related to the light means रोशनी, और दूसरा light जो होता है वो means जो weight में हल्का है. So here it is light means this light. Okay. And dark means dark, अंधेरा. Okay. Now the next exercise is match these describing words with their opposites. ये describing words को उनके opposite से match करना है. ये describing words को उनके opposite से match करना है. There are 10 describing words. Just look at the board. There are 10 describing words, and the describing words are CHEAP, cheap, IN, in, WEAK, weak. Cell. FIRST, first. PLACK, black. RIGST, right. Now let us know the meanings of these words and these words. CHEAP, cheap का मतलब होता है सस्ता. Okay. Like if this pen is 10 rupees, of 10 rupees and this pen is of 5 rupees only. तो जिसका वैल्यू ज़्यादा है that means वो, जिसका वैल्यू कम है वो cheap है. So this pen is cheaper. So cheap का opposite क्या होगा? Opposite of cheap is costly. So here E is matched to cheap. को इस एक्सरसाइज में डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स को उनके अपोजिट के साथ मैच करना है. ठीक है. एंड फॉर मैचिंग वी आर ऑप्टिंग द मेथड ऑफ नंबरिंग. हम मैचिंग के लिए नंबरिंग करेंगे. ओके. हियर चीप इज एट नंबर 1, जिसका मैचिंग है कॉस्टली, तो हम कॉस्टली के सामने 1 नंबर लिखेंगे. नाउ नंबर 2, in का मतलब अंदर. सो ऑपोजिट ऑफ in is out. Where is out? Yes, it is at number H. So after H you have to write number 2. Next is, next is OPEN, open. Open का मतलब होता है खोलना. And so open, the opposite of open is close. Close means बंद करना. So here open is at number 3, so close will be number 3. Now next is wide. Wide का मतलब होता है चौड़ा. Okay, wide का means होता है चौड़ा and opposite of wide is narrow. So here at J it will be number 4. Are the numbers visible to you? Narrow is number 4. Next is cool. At number 5 it is cool. Cool means ठंडा and the opposite of cool is warm. So warm is at C. So write number 5 here. Now next is WEAK, weak. Weak का मतलब होता है कमजोर. एंड कमजोर का ऑपोजिट होता है क्या कह सकते हैं, ताकतवर. ओके. एंड सो इट इज स्ट्रॉन्ग. द ऑपोजिट ऑफ वीक इज स्ट्रॉन्ग. सो पुट नंबर 6 आफ्टर स्ट्रॉन्ग. Number 6 after strong. Okay. Now next is sell. Sell का मतलब होता है बेचना and बेचने का opposite होता है खरीदना. So the opposite of sell is buy. Buy. It is at I. So write number 7 here. Number 7. Number 7. Write the number carefully so that it should be clear. Next is FIRST first. 6, 3, 5, 10, 1, 9, 8, 2, 7, 4. And come to the next page. The next page is, it is a fill-ups. It is at page number, class 1 only for your one exercise will be left today. Okay, that too of page number 24. Otherwise we can complete it today itself. Or else we can do it in the next part. It is on page number 27 and see what is the question. Write the opposites of the words in the brackets to complete these sentences. Sentence को read करना है. Read करने के बाद जो bracket में describing words दिए हैं उनका opposite लिखना है. Okay. So number 1 is the Qutub Minar is a dash building. Here at number 1 it is written short. So the opposite of short is short, tall. So the Qutub Minar is a tall building. The Qutub Minar is a tall building. Number 2, he is carrying a dash bag. Here light is given. We have to write the opposite of light and it is heavy. He is carrying a heavy bag. Class 1, after your periodical test, I will start your cursive classes. After your periodical test, I will start your cursive classes. Okay? That's why I have started writing in cursive. Number 3, keep out of good company. So we have to write the opposite of good. It is bad. Number 4, I can't wear a dash shirt to school. I can't wear a dirty shirt to school. Now let us know the meaning of these sentences. The Qutub Minar is a tall building. Qutub Minar एक बहुत ऊंची इमारत है. Number 2, he is carrying a heavy bag. वो एक heavy bag लेकर जा रहा है और उसने एक heavy bag उठाया हुआ है. Number 3, keep out of bad company. बुरे लोगों के संगत से दूर रहो. Number 4, I can't wear a dirty shirt to school. मैं स्कूल ये गंदी शर्ट पहन के नहीं जा सकता. Number 5, Tanima's father is a dash man. तनीमा के जो पापा हैं वो एक rich man है. Why we have written rich here? Because it is opposite to poor. तनीमा के पापा एक rich man है. Rishi always comes dash in his class. ऋषि अपनी क्लास में हमेशा last, no, first आता है. Because we have to write the opposites. Rishi always comes first in his class. Number 7, an elephant is a big animal because big is the opposite of small and it is correct too. Animal तो सच में big animal होता है. Sorry, elephant तो सच में big animal होता है. Now let me revise it. The Qutub Minar is a tall building. He is carrying a heavy bag. Keep out of bad company. I can't wear a dirty shirt to school. Tanima's father is a rich man. Rishi always comes first in his class. An elephant is a big animal. And number 8 is Ira is a beautiful woman. because beautiful is the opposite of ugly. So here up to 8 I have done. Now let me erase it so that I could do the next two. Number 9. Her bag is full of dash mangoes. उसके बैग में कच्चे आम हैं. इसका मतलब है RAW raw की मीन्स होता है कच्चा and the opposite of कच्चा is पक्का and it is RIPE ripe. Her bag is full of ripe mangoes. And number 10 is she is cutting fruits with a blunt knife. Blunt मतलब जिसमें धार नहीं होती. And we have to write the opposite of blunt so that answer will be sharp. She is cutting fruits with a sharp knife. So class 1, this was your class. Today we did two things. In the first part, we have done the revision, and in the later part, we have done two exercises of English Grammar Chapter 4, that is describing word. And what is a describing word? A describing word tells us more about naming word. Describing words हमें naming word के बारे में बताते हैं. In your this, okay. So class 1, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.